left lane for the win, y'all. All right, look out, y'all. We got Ray Measy in the building. Look out, Ray Measy. You ready to
follow me on Instagram, man.
Follow him on Instagram.
I am Ray Measy.
Yeah, this is Ray Measy, y'all. Let me see, we got a little diamond in the building, y'all. Hey, little diamond.
How you know my name?
Yeah, that's little diamond, y'all. Okay. Oh, it is working. I'm trying to get sick. Let me get sick. I just swapped up some shit. Let me make sure everything working. Okay. Okay, boom, the chest just now. Okay, boom, the chest just now start coming in. Appreciate y'all being patient with me. Okay, it's all good. Yeah, we got a little diamond. And Ray Measy. Got a little diamond in here, y'all. Yeah. What happened? What happened? What happened?
Look at this nigga page.
You like it?
That shit funny than a bitch.
Oh yeah, you like that? Oh shit! Yeah. Damn. Okay, what kind of song? My people right here. My shit buffering. Look out, y'all.
Racing now, we'll look up.
I told him it was gonna buffer y'all. We
should have raced
switched
that
over.
CTSV outside, that red one.
Man, I got so much shit going on at one time. I don't know which one to do. I'm just get it. They waiting on y'all right there. They waiting on y'all. God, this here hard job. Hard job. Look out. Huh? Yeah, let me close that, please, sir. Okay, boom. Yeah, they wanted 1080p. Here it go. Hey, look out. Oh, they got my people up there, man. Hey, look out, man. Hey. That's my boy, tow truck. This girl. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I need to get a walk around real quick. Let me see how close my car is. I can't sit in one spot. Look out. What's up with it, y'all? Hey, boom. And boom. Uh-oh, Sticky Pepper, shout out. Yeah, everybody else wanted that 1080. Plus, the only other reason is that I need look out. out, look out. Got all my people that's coming up here. Right lane. We all out of PJ1, y'all. I'm about to get my TikTokers. Right, means I'm trying to find a good grudge race coming up, man. They should be coming up in a minute, man. I gotta call the winners. All right, bet. I'll call them for y'all. I got that team. What happened? Who I'm racing, I don't know yet. Whoever next to us. The Caprice. Okay, yeah. Checking in from Chicago. Look out, Chicago. No Outlaws ready to race me. Yeah, somebody. Oh, I hear that Cam. I know who that is. I hear that Maytag. Oh, here come a good race right here. Here come a good race.